It's 4:36 a.m. Getting ready for my second marathon challenge. Here we go. Testing 1, 2. I flew this drone in Miami. It feels like a mosquito. It feels so small, so tiny, and it doesn't even make any sound. It's crazy. Right, so this marathon is a little bit different than last marathon. I was just testing a bunch of different cameras, the drone. In this trip, I wanted to capture the whole trip with the R6. I would say 4.5 hours we've been walking. We're still in Miami Beach. And we are officially in Miami. This is my second marathon. Here I am with Andres.
Hey, what
Andres
up?
Catamo.
Catamo.
Super smart guy, super cool guy. We were just in the bright line. Take your time. I'm gonna do the whole marathon. You can stop whenever you want. And he asked me how long it's gonna take. I said, well, it's gonna take like, you know, if we don't stop at all, 8.5 hours. And he was like, oh, that's fine. That's cool.
Fine for me.
That's all right. I was like, damn, this guy's cool. Tienes varios rides, te dan unos rides por la